Well, I had to replace some wires, go through the schematic and follow the wires. People were putting in extra wires that didn't belong there. This white wire I had to put in because that was completely gone. And the switch here had wires soldered to it, more or less shorting everything out. So I put everything back together the way it should be and see if it works.
Dares esmola, ignore a tua mão esquerda, o que faz a tua mão direita.
As pessoas enganadas pelo evangelho da prosperidade mantêm um controle cuidadoso do que deram, esperando plenamente grandes retornos em seus investimentos. Eles certamente não dão em...
What danger do you think we have from these people that you call...
Yeah, we're never going to do anything bad with it. But they're the bad guys, so let's not let them know. You know, here's the truth.
O evangelho da prosperidade está literalmente cheio de erros. É baseado em 3 equivocadas suposições.
You think you're just looking to measure your grade? I need proof, Mr. Guthrie. Unless you can prove that Webb has broken...